welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, but you are true to this, you already know why we're here. We are here with the perfect throw on and go everyday unit. And I know I say this a lot, but this one's really it. So super huge shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to them because they definitely up the ante on how your package comes to you. It comes in this super cute bag that I will absolutely be using. Your hair also comes in this silk satin bag. But yeah, I couldn't get over the bag. Like, this is my new travel makeup bag now. But in your package, you will get a wig cap, a melting band, and of course your unit. So I did get the 7x5 Yaki straight bob in 12 inches. And this, hands down, is absolutely now my favorite hair texture. I thought the kinky straight was it, but it's truly the Yaki straight. Like, this is given natural hair, blown out, silk press, relaxed hair. This is just giving black girl hair. So this is the wig on my skin, just to show you there are no knots. It does come pre-bleach, but depending on your skin tone, we're gonna have to doctor it up a little bit. We're gonna get into it. So again, I'm just trying to show you guys what the wig looks like fresh out the box and how it comes. This is the construction. So again, this is a glueless 7x5 wig. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. And these straps are more of like the bra adjustable straps rather than the thick band, which I actually do like a lot better. It also comes with a comb attachment in the back, and it has like the grippy texture on the cap to help it stay in place. So this is my hair. This is a braid down pattern. I did leave the very edges of my hair out because I am going to be installing this behind the hairline. If you know me, you know I'm very much into a natural look. And that's the rest of my hair. I just braided it straight back, joined each braid, and tucked them into each other. So this is what the wig will look like. If you want to do a glueless install, I wanted to show you what it will look like. Obviously, again, you will have to tint the lace to match your complexion. And then yeah, that's kind of really it. And then, you know, you'll doctor it up, do your thing. But I'm going to show you guys how I install all my units now. I don't wear the lace on my forehead. I just can't do it. So I'm going to go in and remove the extra lace that's on this, which is very minimal extra lace. So even if you're installing this the traditional way, it's actually pretty easy. And as you can see, the baby hairs are laid. I am going to go in with my Tresemme Touch Up Root Spray, and I do have this in black. And again, because I'm doing this behind the hairline, I want to help hide the lace as much as possible, especially this one because it's so much lighter than me. So I'm going to go in with the black spray, and I'm only spraying this on the very edges of the lace because I just don't want a demarcation line. Now, if you are wearing a part, you're going to want to skip covering up the lace where you're going to wear your part because you want natural scalp to kind of peek through. I'm not going to really wear a part with this, so I kind of just did a light little dab. Again, I want to make sure it's a very seamless blend. This is what the lace will look like after. As you can see, you can't really tell lace. It's just going to look like hair growing out of the scalp, I guess. So to install this, I do wear a wig grip. I don't like to tuck any combs into my hair. This is just going to help with breakage and overall hair health. And when I install this down, again, I'm doing it right behind my hairline. And as you can see, where we did the root touch-up spray, it makes it a lot more seamless, and it's going to help my hair blend in. So I did not leave a lot of leave out for this style because I wanted to make sure that blending was going to be easy. But honestly, this was the perfect texture to do this with. I'm telling you, this Yaki straight was truly heaven sent. I'm so in love with this texture. I kind of wish I had this in a longer length now, but this spot will do just fine. So again, you can leave out as much or as little hair as you would like if you are installing it the same way I am. It's all just going to be your preference. If you have finer hair, you might need to leave out a little bit more hair to make sure you really cover it. For the areas that have lace though, it's very easy to blend. You will see here, like I literally don't even have any hair out right there, but it blended out so good. This texture, chef's kiss, chef's kiss, chef's kiss. You might get a little bored of me with extensions going forward, because if they have a Yaki straight texture, that's what I'm getting. It's so effortless, it's so easy. I don't have to reinstall heat on my hair over and over. It just blends so good. So for the lace, if I was gonna wear it in the middle part, which I do on my everyday basis, actually, I do go in with a concealer that is closer to my skin tone to tone it down. It was looking real yellow. So this toned it down and made it a lot more natural. And as you can see right here, again, if you wanted to wear it in the middle part, you can, but you can see what happens if you like spray that part with black. It will give you a line and you don't want that. So mine wasn't as super bright, and it does kind of wash off a little bit as time goes on. So you can correct it. But again, if you know you want to wear your wig in a part, don't spray over there. Now I'm getting into styling my hair. Again, I knew I wanted to do a flip over. So right here, I'm just kind of combing the hair in the direction that I want my flip over to fall. And now I'm going to go in and curl the hair, give it some more body, some more movement, some more shape. I was kind of going for like the back in the day, like, you know how when they used to have that bob, but they used to have them feathered curls and it was just giving. That's what I was going for. I got to learn to do a little bit more flick of the wrist with the curls, but we was getting there. So again, this hair, I was definitely surprised. I absolutely love the fullness of this unit. I have gotten a few bob wigs in the past, and the fullness, the density was never up to par. It was always giving very thin and very stiff. But this bob, it was so full, but it wasn't overly full to where, you know, you was given that incredible bob. It was just the perfect amount of density. The hair texture, again, I'm floored. Like, it felt so much like my hair if I just had real thick, luscious hair that was blown out and silk pressed. I love that it holds a curl so much better than the kinky straight. The kinky straight don't even really hold a curl. This will actually hold your curls. It holds the shape. So I absolutely love that. Fresh out the package, the hair had no smell. It was just like, this was just so good. Like, I want this texture in wefts so I can make like my own personal unit, or I want this exact unit in just a longer length, because I was highly surprised. And I'm like, have I never had Yaki straight hair before? Maybe I haven't. Maybe I've been confused all this time and I just kept getting kinky straight. But this is what you want, y'all. This is what you want. If you don't want to fight with the hair to hold a curl, to straighten it, but it just gives natural black hair straightened, this is the texture you want. So this is my hair after I've styled it, after I put in the curls. It was given, like, to me, I was like, this is flawless everyday look. Like, this is exactly what I think of when I say like, oh, I want an everyday wig that could just go with anything. Right here, I had to get the flyaways together. So I just used some hairspray. I sprayed it on a brush, and then I just smoothed the hair into place so it can stay, because I did have some shorter hairs. But I don't know, I felt like I was in my mom bag, right? I just felt like a mom. I just felt very grown. I felt like an adult, even though I am one. This just gave, she's a very grown woman. She's a very grown lady. Here, y'all, they had a drawstring on the wig, and I didn't even know. I couldn't tell when I was doing the overall view, but that's because they hid it so well in the wig. I didn't even see it until I was doing this part. So you have two methods of tightening this, with the adjustable band and the drawstring on this wig. So it's truly glueless. Even if you do it behind the hairline or you wear it the regular way, it's truly glueless. It will be secure. The perfect density, perfect texture. I'm so in love. I'm in love with it right now. I have the wig on my head right now. And this is it. This is truly a everyday throw on and go. It looks so natural. When I posted this, people was like, oh my gosh, I thought that was your hair at first. They didn't know it wasn't my hair until I said it wasn't. And that's just because it just looked so good. And even here, it looks so good. But yeah, this came out so good. I think I surprised myself more and more every time I install a hair. But you know what? Now when I'm doing my installs, I'm doing it for how I know I look my best and I feel the best. And when you do your hair that way, you are always going to come out on top. You're always going to get the end result that you want. Stop trying to wear what everybody else is doing. Make these installs to fit you. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely make sure you check the description box below for all the links and coupon codes. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for my now perfect everyday wig. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.